Hey tool enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most hotly debated topics in the cordless tool world, DEWALT 60V FLEXVOLT versus their trusty 20V Max circular saws. If you've been wondering which platform deserves a spot in your tool arsenal, you're in the right place. Before we get started, if this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tool reviews and comparisons. When choosing between DEWALT's cordless circular saw options, the decision often comes down to two main voltage platforms, the 20V Max system and the 60V Max FLEXVOLT system. Both offer professional-grade performance, but each excels in different scenarios. This comprehensive comparison will help you determine which platform best suits your cutting needs and workflow. Power and performance. The core difference. The most significant distinction between these two systems lies in their raw cutting power. The DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V Max circular saw delivers an impressive 2,456 watts of power, making it one of the most powerful cordless sidewinder circular saws on the market. This substantial power advantage translates to improved performance when cutting through dense materials, thick lumber, and challenging applications. In contrast, 20V Max circular saws provide adequate power for most standard cutting tasks while offering better runtime efficiency. A 60V trimmer is far more potent than a 20V trimmer, yet a 60V trimmer will last less time with the same battery. Shorter runtime equals more power. This power-to-runtime relationship applies equally to circular saws. Weight and ergonomics. Weight becomes a crucial factor during extended use, especially for overhead cuts or all-day projects. The 60V is 2-3 pounds heavier than the 20V models, which can tire you out on overhead work. But for low cuts, the weight and gravity help, cutting vibration and boosting power. The additional weight of 60V tools isn't merely a drawback. It can provide stability benefits for certain cutting applications. The extra mass helps reduce vibration and can improve cut quality when working on horizontal surfaces or making rip cuts through thick materials. Battery compatibility and system integration. One of DEWALT's smartest innovations is the FLEXVOLT battery system's backward compatibility. 20V tools can use 20V Max batteries or 60V Max batteries, while 60V and 120V tools can only use 60V Max batteries. FLEXVOLT batteries are compatible with all DEWALT 60 and 20V DEWALT tools. This compatibility means that investing in 60V FLEXVOLT batteries provides maximum flexibility across your entire tool collection. You can power both your high-demand 60V tools and your existing 20V tools with the same battery platform. You will find the link to the product in the description below. I've included links to both the 60V and 20V options, so you can check out current pricing and availability. Build quality and durability. Professional contractors often note differences in construction quality between the two platforms. The 60V's build is tougher. Shoe, rubber sleeve, and chuck release spring are typically more robust compared to their 20V counterparts. This enhanced durability makes 60V tools better suited for demanding job site conditions and heavy-duty applications. Runtime considerations. Battery. Runtime varies significantly between the two systems depending on the application. If you are looking for more power under a load that can last all day without overheating, the 60V is a good choice. However, for lighter-duty cutting tasks, 20V tools often provide longer runtime per amp hour of battery capacity. The efficiency equation changes based on workload intensity. Heavy cutting through engineered lumber, pressure-treated materials, or dense hardwoods favors the 60V system's ability to maintain speed under load, even if absolute runtime is shorter. Pricing and value proposition. Cost considerations extend beyond the initial tool purchase to include battery investments and long-term system costs. From a theoretical aspect, a 60V motor requires smaller wire than 20V motor of same HP. This copper weight reduction could be responsible for slight price reduction, assuming the tools are actually using 60V. While 60V tools often carry a premium price, the enhanced performance and battery versatility can justify the investment for professionals who regularly tackle demanding cutting applications. Speed and performance specifications. The 60V circular saws typically feature higher no-load speeds compared to their 20V counterparts. The 60V Max brushless cordless 7-1/4 in circular saw delivers a no-load speed of 5,800 RPM, combining the power of a corded circular saw with the portability and convenience of cordless. This increased speed, combined with higher torque output, allows the 60V saws to maintain cutting speed more effectively when encountering resistance, resulting in cleaner cuts and improved productivity. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more DIYers and professionals who need this kind of detailed tool analysis. Real-world applications. Choose 60V FLEXVOLT. When cutting thick engineered lumber, LVL, PSL, glulam, regular ripping of dimensional lumber, working with denser treated materials, need maximum cutting speed and power, performing overhead cuts where power compensates for weight, professional framing or heavy construction work. Choose 20V Max. When general construction and remodeling tasks, trim work and finish carpentry, extended runtime is prioritized over maximum power, frequent overhead cutting where weight matters, budget-conscious tool selection, complementing an existing 20V tool ecosystem, battery technology and options. The dual voltage system provides unrivaled power and runtime. 20V 60V. Max FLEXVOLT batteries are available in 6Ah, 9Ah, 12Ah, and 15Ah capacities. This range of battery options allows users to optimize for either maximum runtime or lighter weight depending on the specific application. The FLEXVOLT technology automatically changes voltage when you change tools, delivering 20V power to 20V max tools and 60V power to 60V's max tools, maximizing the performance of each tool in your collection. Conclusion: making the right choice. The decision between DEWALT's 20V and 60V circular saws ultimately depends on your specific needs, applications, and existing tool ecosystem. The 60V FLEXVOLT system offers superior power and versatility, but comes with increased weight and cost. The 20V Max system provides excellent performance for most applications with better portability and runtime efficiency. For professional contractors regularly handling demanding cutting tasks, the 60V system's power advantages often justify the investment. DIY enthusiasts and those prioritizing lighter weight and longer runtime may find the 20V system more suitable for their needs. Consider your typical workload, existing battery investments, and whether the additional power of the 60V system will meaningfully impact your productivity. Both platforms represent excellent engineering and build quality. The choice comes down to matching the tool's capabilities with your specific requirements. And that's a wrap on our DEWALT 60V versus 20V circular saw showdown. What's your take? Are you Team 60V FLEXVOLT for maximum power, or do you prefer the lighter, longer-running 20V Max system? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing about your real-world experiences with these tools. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you make a decision. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews. Comment below with your own experiences or questions. Share this with a fellow tool enthusiast who might be facing the same decision. You will find the link to the product in the description, along with current pricing and any deals I can find. I'm always hunting for the best prices for you guys. Coming up next week, we'll be putting both of these saws through some brutal real-world tests, including cutting treated lumber, engineered beams, and seeing how they handle extended use. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.